Hi, I'm Bill Fox. I'm the owner of William C. Fox Heating and Air Conditioning. I'm standing in front of the Library Company of Burlington. This building is over 150 years old. We just completed a installation of a high efficiency gas boiler, Well McLean, 95% efficient heater. And the boiler here will do about 300,000 BTUs. The boiler also, with its technology, the modern technology, is the boiler is a modulating boiler. So on a day that it's only 30 or 40 degrees, the boiler will modulate down to 20% of capacity and work its way up in 1% increments, all the way up to 100%. So between the efficiency of the boiler and the modulating technology, we should save the Library Company of Burlington 30 to 40% at least. It's our family servicing your community.